friends, welcome to Riti's Kitchen. Today we are going to learn about two nutritious and delicious dishes of Telangana and Haryana. From Telangana, we are going to make Malidalu Ladoos, and from Haryana, we are going to make Bathua Raita. Let's start with Malidalu Ladoos. For Malidalu Ladoos, we need leftover chapatis, jaggery, desi ghee, coconut powder, and some dry fruits like walnut, almonds, and raisins. We need to crush the chapatis. I've already crushed the chapatis. Now we need to put it in the one by one. We need to put all the ingredients in the bowl. It's gonna be amazing. Coconut powder, walnuts, almonds, and raisins. Now we need to mix it all to make some ladoos. We need to make circles like this. Our delicious Malidalu Ladoos are ready. You must be thinking why I'm dressed like this. Because we are making Bathua Raita. And Bathua Raita is of Haryana. For Bathua Raita, we need curds, boiled and crushed bathua, cumin powder, black salt, black pepper, and hing. First, we need to beat the curd smoothly. Then we need to put 2 spoons of bathua. Then we need to put cumin powder. And then black salt. And black pepper. And a pinch of hing. Now we need to beat it up. Our Bathua Raita is ready.